Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Equinox. We're going to be starting right away up front where you have nice chrome accents right there in the grille, as you can see, making the front end stand out. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. There's no rips, stains, tears of any sort on any of the seats. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. Then we're going to take a look in the hatch here. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. One more look here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. Inside, cruise controls. You also have audio and Bluetooth controls mounted to the steering wheel. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate controls. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Equinox on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.